In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch to your presentations or just enjoy the creativity that comes with drawing, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can use drawing tools in Google Slides to enhance your presentations. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Signing in is necessary because it allows you to access all the personalized features and save your work directly to your Google Drive. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can view all your existing presentations and create new ones. Now let's create a new presentation. You have the option to start with a blank presentation or choose from a variety of templates if you want something pre-designed. For our purposes, a blank presentation will give us the most flexibility to explore drawing from scratch. With your new presentation open, turn your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Extensions. Extensions in Google Slides provide additional functionalities that are not available by default. From the drop-down menu, look for Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on. This add-on is a fantastic tool because it integrates interactive elements like drawing directly into your slides. After selecting the Pear Deck add-on, a side panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Click on Open Pear Deck add-on to launch it. It may take a moment to load, so be patient. Once it's ready, you'll find various interactive features that Pear Deck offers, but today we're focusing on drawing. In the Pear Deck panel, click on Draw. This feature will enable you to create free-form drawings on your slides. You can use your mouse or a stylus if you have a touchscreen device to draw directly onto your slide. This is a powerful way to annotate slides in real time during a presentation or add customized visual elements that align with your topic. Before you start drawing, it's important to note that some features within the Pear Deck add-on may require a premium subscription. If you find that you'd like access to more advanced or extensive tools, look for the premium option. Clicking this will give you more information about what additional features are available and how you can access them. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to draw in Google Slides. This skill not only adds a creative flair to your presentations, but also allows you to engage your audience in a unique way. Whether you're teaching, presenting a project, or just sharing your ideas, drawing can bring your slides to life. Happy creating!